Assalamu alaikum, I am Alina, and you are watching ARY News. Here are today's news updates. The federal government has decided to enforce around 2.25 hours of daily electricity load shedding across Pakistan as part of a peak relief strategy aimed at preventing a potential increase of up to 6 rupees per unit in power tariffs. In an official statement, the Power Division said that despite challenging global conditions, electricity generation in the country remains stable and sufficient to meet overall demand. The United States sought a 20-year suspension of Iran's uranium enrichment program as part of a deal to end the war, according to media reports, after Washington and Tehran failed to come to an agreement. Negotiating teams from the US and Iran could return to Islamabad this week to resume talks to end the war, sources told Reuters on Tuesday, after the collapse of weekend negotiations prompted Washington to impose a blockade on Iranian ports. A third Iran-linked tanker was entering the Gulf via the Strait of Hormuz on Tuesday, on the first full day of the US blockade on vessels calling at Iranian ports, shipping data showed. US President Donald Trump announced the blockade on Sunday after weekend peace talks in Islamabad between the US and Iran failed to reach a deal. Saudi Arabia has banned all expatriates from entering Makkah without an official permit, effective Monday, April 13th, the Interior Ministry said in a statement. According to the Saudi Gazette, the decision is part of a broader set of arrangements and regulations for this year's Hajj season, aimed at ensuring the safety of pilgrims and facilitating the smooth performance of rituals under the slogan, "No Hajj without a permit." That's all for now. For more updates, visit arynews.tv. Thank you for watching ARY News.